हेलो सोल फैमिली, कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप आप सब लोग बढ़िया होंगे। तो आज हम लोग रिव्यू और फ्लिप थ्रू लेके आए हैं कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस गाइडेंस कार्ड्स का। ये अशिता सक्सेना जी ने बनाए हैं और मैंने अपनी रीडिंग्स में काफ़ी यूज़ करती हूँ। और कार्ड्स इंग्लिश में हैं, गाइड बुक भी आती है इन कार्ड्स के साथ। और अ, ये बॉक्स आता है कार्ड्स का। और बॉक्स के पीछे थोड़ा डिटेल्स दिए गए हैं कि ये 44 कार्ड्स का डेक है और अशिता सक्सेना के बारे में थोड़ा डिटेल में बताया गया है। तो चलिए पहले गाइड बुक में से थोड़े थोड़े पढ़ लेते हैं चीज़ें। तो पहले तो अक्नॉलेजमेंट्स दिए गए हैं, फिर कृष्णा कॉन्शियसनेस के बारे में बताया गया है, फिर 108 नाम कृष्ण जी के बताए गए हैं, फिर उनके बारे में कुछ डिटेल्स दिए गए हैं, फिर कार्ड्स के बारे में बताया गया है, फिर हर कार्ड के बारे में थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करके दिया गया है। तो चलिए थोड़ा पढ़ के सुना देती हूँ आपको। प्रोटेक्शन। लॉर्ड विष्णु इज द preserver, protector, and guardian of all living and non living beings, even gods. He is the one who ever was, is, and will remain. All creation springs out of him. This card indicates complete surrender to the divine. Have faith, wait, and rejoice, for you are directly under the loving care and protection of Supreme Lord Himself. Belief. One hot summer's day, the sun blazed ferociously. Sri Krishna and the gopis brought their cows to drink water at the Yamuna and then let them graze freely. They started playing to pass time. Soon the boys became so absorbed in their games that they were unaware of their cows wandering off. The cows made their way to Munjavan and got lost. When the Gopas could not find their cows, they went looking for them and found them. At this time, the servants of Krishna set Munjavan on fire, and it spread in no time. Seeing no other way to save themselves, they called out to Krishna, who came instantly. He asked the Gopas to close their eyes and swallowed the colossal forest fire, thus saving them and the cows. The place where Sri Krishna swallowed the fire is called Munjatavi and Isikatavi. Have firm faith in God and act. He will help you, and all your pains and difficulties will go and act now. तो चलिए कार्ड्स देख लेते हैं। मैं एक एक कार्ड पढ़ के सुनाऊंगी कि कार्ड पे क्या लिखा हुआ है। Pay time. You reap what you sow. It comes back to you time and again. You have to pay for your deeds. Divine blessings. This card indicates the unending flow of divine blessings and fulfillment of spiritual goals. Share your bounties. You have enough for your needs and some extra too. Share it with others. Remember the golden rule. What you give, you get back. Your call will be answered. You and your prayers are never unheard. Time to move on. Follow the path destined for you. Move on. Do not stop or look back. The desired change will come. Flow with the rhythm. Allow all things to take their rightful positions on their own so that they can together produce the same effect. Do not judge anything but flow with the tide. Change of place. Continue the journey of life as it comes. Embrace the changes, especially change of place. Transformation. Bring about the change that comes with destruction and sow the seeds now for the future. Divine Darshan. The divinity is working for you and your happiness in this long journey of your soul. Do your karma. Be good, do good, and never lose faith. Be prepared. The end. Everything has to end someday. Be prepared. Preparations will bring desired results. Surrender. Do not struggle in your life. Surrender to all that is wanted and unwanted, and you will receive help. Surrender totally to the divine will. Leave for now. Sometimes it's better to earn a bad name and leave for the higher goal. Be humble. Anger is not fruitful. Leave your anger and frustrations behind and make a fresh beginning. Law of karma. Pay for your deeds. Purity. Purity is in deeds and words is rewarded. Help is on its way. You will get answers to your questions. Do not worry, you will soon receive help. New beginning. Let go of the old, welcome the new, which will take its own time to come and is possibly on its way. Be positive. Know that for every bad and unwanted happening, a divine plan is working. Wait for the right time. Charity. Give what has been asked of you. A joy of friendship. Friendship is the biggest gift. Nurture your friends and friendships. Patience. All your actions will be rewarded and love will flow. Have patience. Knock, knock. Knock and the doors of possibilities will open. Let your inner beauty shine. Inner beauty is commendable and brings love and satisfaction. True beauty lies in the soul. Let go of false ego. To taste the divinity, let go of false ego. Break that wall of egoism and self centeredness and taste the divine. We all are but one creation. Believe, have firm faith in God and act. He will help you, and all your pains and difficulties will go away. Act now. Ask for God's grace and help. When in trouble, ask for help. The necessary help will come to you. Be open. God and blessings come in unexpected ways. Be open to receive them. Respect. Show respect for your teachers and whoever mentors you. Tough times. Let go of all that happened. The bad times will also surely go. Complete destruction always leaves behind seeds of regrowth and regeneration. New creation. Travel if need be and pray for your work to be done. It is time to create something new. Eternal bond. Merge yourself in Him and you will find a lifetime of joy and eternal bliss. Abundance. You will receive abundance. Blessings. This card brings blessings. True devotion and faith. A humble offering to God is greater than a material wealth. Presence of mind. Think and act wisely. Selection. What you choose becomes your destiny. Choose wisely. Death. Every situation, painful or joyous, is well written for us. See it as an observer and not as a participant. Focus on the totality of your eternal journey. Treat joy and sorrow in the same way. Death end is a new beginning. Gita, the absolute truth. Do what is desired of you. Perform your duties. Stay connected within. Connect with the divine in you. Sit quietly, close your eyes, and calm your mind. You will get answers to all your troubling questions. Do not provoke negativity. Do not invite negativity by doing or saying wrong things. Protection. Have faith. Wait and rejoice, for you are directly under the loving care and protection of the Supreme Lord Himself. Time to relax. Do not hurry. You are watched over and will be looked after. Make the right choice. Be humble in all that you do. Vanity breeds sickness. Make the right choice. तो हमने देखा कि 44 कार्ड्स के क्या मैसेजेस थे. गाइड बुक बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल्ड नहीं है, लेकिन कार्ड्स पे जो मैसेजेस लिखे हैं वो आपको कार्ड्स पढ़ के समझ में आ जाएंगे. ये डेक बिगिनर फ्रेंडली है. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा जूझना नहीं पड़ता है या बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा इंट्यूशन नहीं चाहिए आपको. अगर आप गाइड बुक पढ़ लेंगे, कार्ड्स पढ़ लेंगे, तो आप अपने क्लाइंट्स को या अपनी पर्सनल रीडिंग्स के लिए गाइडेंस दे सकते हैं लोगों को। और पूरी गाइड बुक और कार्ड्स इंग्लिश में हैं, तो अगर आपको इंग्लिश आती है और आपने ये वीडियो पूरा देखा है, आपको कार्ड्स पसंद आए हैं, तो आप ये कार्ड्स पे इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं। ये कार्ड्स मैंने अमेजोन से खरीदे थे। ये कार्ड्स बुक वैगन पे अवेलेबल नहीं हैं। इनफैक्ट जितने भी इंडियन ऑरिकल कार्ड्स हैं ना, वो मैंने देखा है कि बुक्स वैगन पे अवेलेबल नहीं है। बुक्स वैगन पे केवल इंटरनेशनल ऑरिकल कार्ड्स या इंटरनेशनल टैरो कार्ड्स अवेलेबल हैं। तो आप ये कार्ड्स अमेज़ॉन पे सर्च कर सकते हैं और अमेज़ॉन से ख़रीद सकते हैं। तो ये था आज का रिव्यू। चलिए फिर मैं आपसे जल्दी मिलूंगी नए रिव्यू के साथ। तब तक टेक केयर, स्टे हैप्पी, बी ब्लेस्ड।